Don't you guys just love it when these traditional finance YouTubers come out and talk bad about Bitcoin every time we're in a dip during a bull run? Yet for years, when Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins were on sale, they said absolutely nothing. Well, we have seen an epidemic of these traditional finance YouTubers that are making videos on Bitcoin saying how volatile and how risky it is, but only after it dips. In this case, we have Graham Stephan, the genius that bought at the peak of the 2017 bull run, here to tell us today why he sold Bitcoin. Oh man, like, it must be pretty bad if this guy is selling Bitcoin. So let's check it out. Let's react to these videos. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more cryptocurrency videos. So something you'll notice about this guy, Graham Stephan, is, yeah, this guy is a big financial YouTuber. Like, he's got about 3 million subscribers. And you can see, yeah, he's making quite a few videos about Bitcoin, and they're all pretty much negative. Why you'll regret buying Bitcoin in 2021. Now, apparently this guy is pretty smart and has some good foresight. I mean, he only called the dip after the dip happened. Go figure. But what really gets me is that this guy, and you'll see this as a trend with these traditional finance YouTubers, is that they're talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency now, but they weren't really talking about it when it was super cheap. Let's take this video for example. Why you'll regret buying Bitcoin in 2021. If he has this level of foresight, wouldn't he make a video on the other side when it was cheap? Like a little over a year ago, like when I bought Bitcoin and Ethereum, I bought Bitcoin for 6,000 and Ethereum for a little over 200. That was a damn good time to buy. But let's see if he made a video saying why you'll regret not buying Bitcoin in 2019 or 2020 even. Going to a year, no, I can't really see a video. He's just talking about stocks and real estate. Even though it was a really good time to buy crypto, he wasn't talking about it. Very interesting, right? And here's another guy, Spencer Cornelia. Why you will lose money with Bitcoin or a red background. And yeah, these guys are making some negative videos about Bitcoin. Very interesting. It's just a bit convenient that they weren't making positive videos about Bitcoin when it was really cheap just a year ago. No, they were silent then, but, you know, apparently they're just really smart, and, you know, they want to tell you about how risky and volatile Bitcoin is now. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum were cheap for years. For years they were just like super undervalued and basically on a flash sale. And these guys never spoke about it. They never spoke about the great opportunity. And mind you, these guys often say that, you know, they care about their audience, you know, making money and stuff. Yet there's this clear, easy as day opportunity to just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum like what I did when it was super cheap. Yet they never spoke about it, even though it was pretty obvious that it was going to explode in 2021. Let's try and figure out why Graham Stephan is selling his Bitcoin. I'm sure there's a very good reason, so let's just hear him out.
Sounds like I've lost my mind and I'm ignoring all of my own advice when it comes to only investing what you're willing to lose and dollar cost average into the markets over time while you hold on for dear life.
Hold on for dear life. Like, you can notice that a lot of these guys have this very stressed out mindset. They just see like cryptocurrency as this big dangerous thing, and like they're like taking a huge risk even touching it. Whereas in reality, like if you know about cryptocurrency, you're not going to be stressed out right now. No, like I'm pretty comfortable as is, but you know, to these guys, they're pretty emotional and they get spooked kind of easy.
I gotta say it's making some sense to sell. And I think if you just hear me out through the video...
It's a good time to sell during a dip, apparently. And it's also a good time to buy Bitcoin at 17k in 2017, also according to this guy. So, you know, take what you will from that.
Last year and a half, I've been shifting a lot of my attention to the stock market so I could build a more robust portfolio that isn't just 100% real estate.
What's wrong with having 100% of your money in something? Like, let's say you have a investment portfolio. What's so wrong about putting all of that into one category or thing? A lot of these guys say you have to diversify, but why? Like, if you believe in real estate and you think that's going to be the next big thing, the big thing to pop off very soon. Why not put your investment portfolio into it? Like, I believe in cryptocurrency. I have 97% of my net worth in crypto. I'm not just BSing when I say that I believe in crypto. No, I put my money where my mouth is. Like, I don't get this notion that you have to, split up your investments into different things. Like, if you believe in something, then you should go with it. Second guess yourself and say, oh, I need to put this in here. Oh, no. But whatever. This might just be a personality difference. I don't know.
Throughout the last decade was cryptocurrency. Now, sure, I dabbled here and there, and I bought a little of it 3 years ago.
Look at these buys, man. December 7, 2017 is when he bought Bitcoin at 17k a coin. Oof, damn. Not a great time to buy.
To try it out. But I never really treated it like a serious investment, and for the most part, I dismissed.
You never treated it as a serious investment. So is that the excuse we're going with, yeah? You just wanted to lose money. Come on, dude. If it went up to like 100k after you bought it, you wouldn't be saying, I wasn't really taking it that seriously. No, you'd be pretty thrilled, right? These are the games we're playing.
I invested 1% of my entire portfolio into a 60-40 split between Bitcoin and Ethereum.
God,
and back then...
Yeah, like you'll notice, a lot of these traditional finance guys, they'll get into cryptocurrency, but they'll only dip their toe into. It's like when JP Morgan says they're going to think about putting 0.1% of their portfolio into Bitcoin. It's like, what does that matter? Like... What's 1%? 1% isn't anything. Like, if you believe in something and you see the value, if you genuinely believe this is going to be the next big thing, like what I do, you're not going to put 1% in. And it shows that they don't really believe in it. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if these guys just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff like that just for the sake of saying that they bought it in YouTube videos. Like, it's obvious they don't really trust it, because this guy's apparently selling at the first sign of volatility. So
I reasoned with myself that realistically it's never going to be worth $0. So I could take the risk and increase my allocation to 3% just to give myself a little bit more 3%. Exposure.
Oh my god, chill out. 3%? Man, you're living life on the edge, and you're only buying the most historied and consistent coin, Bitcoin.
3% allocation, a lot faster than I expected through a combination of regular buy-ins, Elon Musk tweeting about it, and the fact that it doubled and tripled in price.
You bought Bitcoin because Elon Musk tweeted about it. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't have done that, but it just seems like an odd line of thinking that this financial expert, this guy whose job is talking about finances and basically giving people financial advice without giving them financial advice, that it took the richest man on earth to tweet about it before he saw the value in it. Like, can you not think before that point? I'm just saying, like, the difference between me and him is he needs social proof to buy something, whereas, like, I do not.
There are portions of my investment which have lost a considerable amount of money, and that is why today it's starting to make some sense to sell.
You've got the knowledge of the past bull run of cryptocurrency, which is more than most, and the most you can say is that you've just broken even at this point. Like, come on. Like, it's not hard. You buy, if you're a long-term hodler, you buy when people don't care about it. You know, like, there was years when nobody really cared, aside from people in crypto, about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those were great times to buy. And you as a financial expert cannot see those opportunities. And I'm no financial expert, that's for sure.
The reason I'm selling is because of a term called tax loss harvesting, which, for those not aware, it's a tax reduction strategy which allows you to sell off.
It was his plan to lose money, right? Come on. Let's stop the BS. You didn't buy Bitcoin wanting it to come out at a loss. Like, why can't you just say you messed up? Like, you know, I've bought coins, and I've went on about coins that I've bought that are 1000x on this channel. But I've also bought a rug pull before. I've also been rug pulled. Now, I'm never going to say that was my plan to lose that money. That's just BS. Why are we playing these games? Oh, I meant to lose money. These traditional finance YouTubers, man. I've said this many times before, but I think your success in cryptocurrency is really determined by your personality. If you have a contrarian personality and you like to do things the opposite of what most people are doing, crypto is like a fish being put in water. Like, you're just going to feel at home because you make massive amounts of money doing the opposite of what most people are doing. That is what the crypto market is like. But if you're not a contrarian personality and you kind of like to go with the flow and want to do what other people are doing, then you're going to see cryptocurrency as this confusing and stressful nightmare like Graham Stephan. He does not have the personality to do well in crypto. And some people, that is just going to be the case. To do well in crypto, you need to think very differently to most people. And some people have that inbuilt into them, and some people do not. But real talk, it's getting pretty old how these traditional finance guys come into crypto midway through a bull run, and then any time it dips, they start making negative videos about it. Okay, yeah, go make your money, take your money and go. And the real guys are going to stay and actually get rich. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Zero Waiting, signing out.